Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today we learn ladies finger printing in fabric painting. First you take ladies fingers, fresh ladies fingers like this. Cut in the middle like this. You can see 5 divisions here, and now we should remove this seeds carefully without disturbing the lines in between so that it will look like a flower. Just remove the seeds using a needle or the sharp point with the knife and remove the seeds carefully without disturbing the division in between. We have 5 petals like this, like a flower. We remove the seeds and now you can see 5 holes prominently. On the other part also you can remove the seeds and keep it ready. And for a smaller flower you can cut near the tip so that you will get a smaller flower like this with 5 petals. With this we are going to print. You just place a newspaper and above that you place one white paper, and above that the fabric in which you are going to print. I am going to do printing in this design. At first we will draw the leaf design using green fabric paint. After finishing the stem, we'll just put the leaves like this. Just press it once and take it. You'll get one type of leaf. I have finished the leaves. Now for the flower I am using crimson red. Using crimson red, paint the lady's finger outline like this. The holes should not be closed, so blow this and the hole should be prominent like this. In the center I have used yellow color, and now we can print it like this. You will get a beautiful flower. Once again we shall apply crimson red. We can only put 2 prints, and then we should apply the paint once again. Every time when you put colors, please be careful that the hole should be open like this. It should not be filled. In the center we will put yellow, and once again we will print. Hold the fabric and take it out. With this smaller one also you can put the flowers. See, now I have finished this flower. Once again leaf printing. Now we shall put printing in the dress of this doll. I am applying pink. See, the holes should be clear when you paint, so that it will look like a flower. And for the contrast color, I am using cerulean blue. Fill it below the center so that the holes will be seen clearly. See, now I have finished the dress, and for this corner, cut it into two and put half print. Once again I will show you for this tortoise. Here I apply brown color outside. And orange in the center. And put the prints like this. In this space, I am filling with a smaller one. I hope you are clear with this ladies finger printing. If you like this video, like and share with your friends. For my previous videos, go to the links in the description. I have posted many fabric painting videos so far. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you for watching.